Hello, I'm Brad Sullivan, and welcome to another episode with Sully Stitch. Today we'll be going over how to load the bobbin. One of the biggest areas of confusion that I have discovered was, does the bobbin rotate clockwise or counterclockwise? Let's find out. Okay, let's get right into it. Here's the bobbin case. This is an L style. And they make these with or without this pigtail. Before I load my bobbin, I've learned to take off a couple top layers. So I just pull my bobbin. What I have found is if I do not remove this top layer and it's at its max, I feel like it snags in there a decent amount. And so I'll keep pulling it and then it'll smoothen out. So let's get back over here. Trim this. So on the bobbin case, I want to find this little slot on the side. There's only one. And then I'll have it at 12 o'clock. On the bobbin thread here, I will where it's coming off, I'll have that at 12 o'clock. Let me use this one. So I put a little permanent marker on here to show the direction that it's spinning on this side and then some on that side. So on the internet, there's a lot of, does it spin counterclockwise? Does it spin clockwise? Talking to the by engineer, this is what I have determined. So loading it at 12 o'clock and then I'll rotate it. And so I'm going underneath this tab right here. This is where we will tighten for tensioning or loosen. So right underneath there, just pull it underneath and then it's free. So now to the pigtail. So right here, it's still next to the bobbin thread inside the case and then down to the metal down here at the bottom. Then I will want to pull it towards me and then I will lift my hand as I go back towards the bobbin thread case, and then I'll back towards me, and that loops it through. So it'll be loose. So here is the way on the back side, it is rotating clockwise. But when we turn and it's facing towards us, now it is rotating counterclockwise. So I think that is where the big discrepancy lies. So when it's facing us, again, counterclockwise. But whenever it's on the back side, it is rotating clockwise. I hope that's helpful. We'll get into tensioning next.